Hi there. I'm back home again. Yay. We were for a week in Denmark and now we're back home again after a 9-hour drive. We were with friends and their kids, and Rinske took care of the horses, and she already said someone is escaping every day. But first I go to the horses. Yeah, a pony escapes every day. Kom eens! No? Okay. Happy to see me again? Hey, Elvis! Hello! Hey! Hey, Sully! Sully is wearing the fly mask. Hey! Uh, Elvis? Hey, Tyrone! Hello! Ricey. Hey! How are you doing? Now I go to Rijntje and Dolly, and behind is a pony. Hey, Rijntje! Hello! And Dolly? Hey! Hi! And you can see their noses are brown. It's because of the grass. She keeps walking here. I wanna pet you here. Yes. So it's brown and it's from the grass. Hey, Dolly. Dolly is getting blacker and blacker. Hey, good so. Good so, Dolly. Hey, Elvis. No? Okay, bye. Okay. Hey, Peach. Hello. Yeah, I fixed the wire. Okay. I'm back home again. Fixing the wire. Oh, I love it. But here I have something, and here I have something. Hey, Daisy. Hello. And Glendy. Hey, Glendy. Hello. Uh, sorry. I come later to you. Okay? Um, the wire is broken. I try to fix it. Okay, I gave them some extra. Hey, Glendy. And Daisy. And now, Spidey. Oh, he's coming. Spidey. No. Hello? Spidey! Come on! Whoa. Okay. Hey, Spidey! Okay, I help him. Hey, Spidey! Come. Come on. Come on. Come. Spidey? Come. Okay. Then we go that way. Come on, Spidey! First pellets. Come on. Come on. Come. Hello? Pellets? Over there? Yes. Okay, that's how he does it. And now I try this. Okay, now there's power on the wire. And I try this. Because he is not only escaping here, but also on the other side, and there's power. And now here is 2. So I hope this helps. Because he don't mind. Here is a bit shock. So I think maybe this helps. I don't know. So I hope this helps, because otherwise he will eat way too much and he's getting sick, and I don't want that. So I hope he's getting a bit of shock now. And like I said, he always stands with his head at the wire, and he thinks, oh, okay, it's fine. So we shall see. Okay. There's not that much power on the wire. So I think he escapes again. So I have to think of something else. And over there are the fillies. I will go to them later. There they are again. Hey, Bella. Hello. Hey. How are you? Hey. She's big. Boukje. Hey. Yveske. En Blomke. Hey. Who is this? Boukje. Hey. No. Hey Bella. Bella. Blomke. Oh. Hey. Yveske, Boukje, Bella en Blomke. Yveske sees something. But what? Oh, I know. Over there. A car. Please? Okay, I found this. So I throw it away. But the horses want to have it. Kom maar. Hey Yveske. Boukje. Bella. Hallo? Bella? No, don't go over. Blomke? Okay, they just wanted to eat. Bye. Bye, Yveske. Oh. Oh no. Yes. Boukje. Bella, Blomke, Boukje en Yveske. Okay, I bring in the horses, and over there Spidey escaped. Okay, come. Boefke. Again. Yes, you. Okay, I tried this one. Spidey. Yes. Whoa. There's power on the wire. Now you have to touch it. Otherwise you escape over and over again. I don't like it anymore. Please. Oh, I think he knows. Whoa. It's the moon. Whoa, it's big. Whoa. Well, I think Spidey knows that there's more power on now. Hey Daisy. Peach and Glendy. He don't care at all. Yes. Finally. Yeah. And this way he learns the wire is scary. Goed zo, Spidey. Yeah, you. Goed zo. Hey. Daisy. Peach. And Glendy.